This is live and direct, reporting from Amufu. This case is very, very serious. The whole town is on fire. There is fire in our community right now. Students, pupils, everybody is running helter and skelter. That is so-called Fulani people are in town. It's a whole lot. It's a very serious issue indeed. It's an eyewitness in Kabugla Korolench. Things are really going bad in this village. Reporting live and direct. The whole town, the whole community is on fire. This is no more a child play. It's a very serious case indeed. I'm recording live and direct from our community, Amampaka. Ọkalụnụ la ya bụ ihe bụ this is our mothers running helter and skelter. It's not easy. This is no more funny at all. It's no more funny. Even the disabled ones